Let us look at how to create a metal plate like these with holes. Okay, so we'll open a new file, delete everything, add mesh plane, rotate it, hit the N key, 90 degrees. Okay, tab, right click, subdivide. Let us add 5 subdivisions. Okay, hit the 3 key on the keyboard to go to the side view. Select these vertices, go to vertex, bevel vertex. Increase the width, increase the number of segments, change the shape until you get a round shape. Okay, now we deselect everything, select only one of these. Then we'll go to select similar face region, hit delete faces, and we got holes. Now we'll go to modify panel and add solidify. It gives you thickness. When you're happy, apply it. Then add bevel modifier and add few segments. Go to object, shade smooth. You get a plate. Go to materials, select a rusted metal texture. Go to shading, go to UV editing, A to select all, UV, unwrap, smart UV project, layout, and then you have a metal plate. Thank you very much.